cheers. Yes, look, she's eating it.
Ay, labas na si Justin Bieber!
Tacos. Oh my gosh. And you're the first cousin, Navarro cousin, to show up in the vlog. She's here. We're gonna go to Cibeles. Oh, she's so cute with Chris Magno. She's not going back to work. Oh, sorry.
Government name.
You've been to Cibeles? No.
Maybe? I don't know.
It's like the building with the roundabout in the middle.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe it'll be familiar.
Okay, let's go. So I just left her and she's gonna go around by herself because I've got 2 more hours at school and a private class after. So we'll meet her again for dinner later. We are in the center. There's so many people. I went to Primor after my private class just to buy something. And now I'm gonna walk to the restaurant where we're gonna have dinner. It's a nice day out, I think, when you're not in the sun. Oh, kasi naka-black ka din.
I'm so tired.
It's so hot. Kasi naka-black, I just realized. So it's worse for you. Just waiting for Jana and Meg. Galing sila sa bahay. So sabay na sila. Pumunta kami, that's galing kaming private class. A little bit more. Un poquito más. Hello, hello. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Sorry, Meg.
She said she didn't like, what was it? Anchovies, pickles, and pickle. And they're all there.
My fault. Coincidence.
Super good.
Pulutan ba? Tapas. And of course, they call it pintos.
We got cheesecake and this, no, cheesecake. Cheesecake.
She's the one that wanted that.
No. For me. We got chocolate cake and I don't know how to pronounce it.
This one, I don't know. They said it's hojaldre with nata. It's a tito. Yeah.
Oh, because I'm done and like they're not done. Look. It is a tito. That's why I thought it was cheesecake. What is this?
It's hojaldre, nata, and then
So it's bread and nata. Let's eat.
Something dessert.
Ooh, the chocolate cake,
as a
super good,
non-sweet
guys.
version.
Meg also liked it. I thought it was gonna be a regular chocolate cake with vanilla ice
Not
cream.
really. I would say it's a pudding. It's not really cake.
Pudding. It's
Yeah,
almost
it-
like an ice cream cake,
Yeah,
but like
the texture
matigas.
is not cake. Let's not, please. The disrespect of
Pudding.
cake. Anyway.
Pero masarap, guys.
It's not,
Thank you so much kay Jana. Pumunta siya doon
Galing.
2 years ago
Oh,
with her friends. Oh, I just said we were her friends.
May dinate siya.
Tapos masarap daw. So tinry namin siya Spanish restaurant. Tomorrow we will continue our food trip habang nandito pa si Meg. She was trying to cross there and
Walking is encouraging.
oh my god. It's literally right here and she was trying to cross there. Thursday. Let's go. Another busy day until next week. Just busy. And I think it's hotter today, so nag-dress kaming lahat para lang medyo mas free. Let's go, guys. got beef, and then pulpo. What's that one? Did I get my crab? No, this is the crab, and this is the duck. The duck.
Perfect.
That's right.
Seriously, if you guys ever get your American from America, if you find a nanny in the Hamptons or something, they just take you on vacation.
Let's try octopus.
Good. Yeah, there's a kick.
Saan?
That's weird.
But it's uy, ang sarap.
It's good.
Oh, this is good crab.
It's very good. Service vendor doesn't care.
Grabe, after namin magbayad, guys, sabi ni Kuya, thank you, Chikis. Chikis, like chikiting.
Like young people.
Na ano ako, tinawag niya kami young. Tinatawag namin ng mga high school students ng ganyan.
Yeah, yung mga
Not us. We're gonna come to the US.
Family nanny.
We're gonna go to a cafe. With the dress na ang mga ano.
Ang mga namin to sabay.
Talaga ba? Kahapon mo pa yan sinabi. Tas,
Ano ba to?
so, binili mo yan sa Bershka, tapos binili ko to?
Oo, tayo nito. Tapos,
Pero years na to sa akin eh. Yun lang yung naalala ko.
picture. Meron kayong picture na naka-denim jacket pa tayo. Nasa LS.
Ay, oo, nasa LS Koreal. Ito mismo yung suot natin.
Yeah.
Guys, ito, pakainit, guys. Alam kong ilam ko na ang... Makailang beses na ako magreklamo, pero ang init kasi talaga. Sakit na siya sa balat. Ang mabinibit-bit niya lang ako, guys. Oh. Very, such a good friend. We're just drinking coffee. We were there. So we moved here nung umalis na sila. It's her last full day today. She's leaving tomorrow. Back to NYC?
Yes.
Yes. NYC? I'm not sure. Oh my guys, appreciate me for what I am.
Actually, ako in 20.
Ang daming sinabi. Magpa-private na ako. Then we're gonna meet again for dinner later. Meg is going to disassociate. Different places. I finally left the cafe. Kanina pa ako hirit ng hit ko. Sige pa, in 5 minutes and 5 minutes. Malapit lang naman yung private class ko. And last ko na sa kanila today. Because next week, Thursday, I'm gonna go to the summer camp. So, ultima klase. We're here, kitchen 154. Let's go. She doesn't like fish. Look, she's eating it.
I did it.
Yay! We're gonna head to Mercado San Ildefonso to get some more drinks. Because dapat mag-order pa kami ng isa pang tinto. Kaso, sabi ni Kuya, hanggang alas 10 na kayo. Time's up na sa table nyo. So, punta na kami. Uy, ang sarap dun ha. 10 over 10. I like it. Ikaw, Tets, did you like it?
Yeah.
Masarap siya.
Feel ko.
Tsaka ano, kahit sinabi nila hot. Hindi naman siya
Feel
hot.
ko yung dumplings.
Pag real,
Pag real spicy siya,
it was spicy.
it would have been better.
Ooh. Mapagod ako guys kasi we're walking uphill. Grabe yung ang layo na nila, tapos andito lang kami. It's not grabe, nag-disappear na sila. Ang bilis kasi nila parehas maglakad. But anyway, nag-drink pa kami dun sa may market. And we're on our way home now. So, see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. We're going to a concert! Ito yung wow! Ngayon lang kami na-excite today. Wala busy.
Wala kaming time para ma-exercise.
We're gonna see Ed Sheeran. Tapos it's free, guys, kasi December pa namin ito binili.
So,
Technically, it's free right now.
I'm so excited! Mag-ano talaga ako? Magbibideo mamaya.
Nakakatawa naman siya. I-play daw niya yung pupuntahan namin. Nakakatawa siya. Ay, ang init dyan. Pero parang hindi ganito kainit kay Taylor. Or hindi ko lang napapansin nun. Nasa taas kasi kami nun eh. Tapos ito, medyo walang bubong daw. So,
Mababa kasi siya. Pero
okay.
malap. Basta hindi lang nakatutok yung araw.
Sa atin. Yeah. Wow! Sold out daw. Both dates. Ed Sheeran. Baka may mat dito, dates. Salbahin mo ako, dates.
Kasi mathematics to.
Finally in our gate. Let's go. Where are we going? Nakita namin sila Justin. Pero hindi kami sa same side ng upuan. Oh my gosh! Ito rin Kelly. Bathroom break. Kasi sabi ni Tats yung kasunod na opener daw. 7:45 pa. So we're gonna get some drinks na din. Like water siguro ganyan. Tsaka wala pa masyadong tao. Pero sabi nila sold out daw. So matagal pa kasi. Tapos hindi ko hindi din nila masyado kilala din yung ano.
Oo.
Like in Europe ba?
Yeah.
So, let's get some snack. Yan na yung water namin walang takip. The popcorn. And we got some Coke.
Movie eh.
Sinihan pala to.
Can act Miles, ano Smith.
Namin guys. Waiting for Ed. 10 more minutes. Kung on time siya.
Hindi ako on.
No! 9 siya. 30 minutes
No, you said.
No, I said 9 o'clock.
8:45.
No. 7:45 si ano. 6:45.
Okay.
9.
Alam ko 8:45.
Tomorrow siya 9. Or baliktad. I forgot.
Wala na tayo bini daw.
Kasi nasa taas yan. Kasi kanina nasa taas yan. So, bumaba. Flower talaga yan, guys. Bubukas, bini yung lalabas.
Stress na ako. 3 minutes left, guys. Wala pa rin po sila. Ito na. Wala pa rin po mga girls. 1 minute left. Yan na po sila. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Guys. Umabot. Masaya kami pero mga makanta niya kasi iba malungkot. Ay, labas si Justin Bieber! Wish ko lang.
My mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. Underneath my breath, you perfect. You look perfect tonight.
Sobrang galing niya. Guitar skills.
At saka paano mag-connect sa audience?
Oo, like, music class to. Ganon. Sobrang galing niya. Like, yung boses niya parang never siyang nagsintonado.
Yeah.
Or parang hininga. Wala siyang backtrack. Yun talaga yung sinabi niya sa simula. Tapos, grabe, sobrang galing niya mag-guitar. Nag-rap pa siya. Doon na ako natulala na ako na lang eh. What?
That's right. Idol kita. High school pa lang kami. Pinapasyon na kita.
Yeah!
Isang pangarap na naman ito pa.
Tama! Hi guys. It's the next morning. Masarap ang breakfast ko. Croissant siya. So it's buttery. Tapos nagyan ko ng egg. Tapos nagyan ko ng hamon serrano. Yung balance, it's so perfect. Like, it's sweet, buttery. Tapos salty. It's good. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully, napapanood nyo to ng mga June something. Kasi kung napapanood nyo to ng June something, ibig sabihin na-edit ko lahat ng vlog ko bago ako umalis for camp. Kasi may mga pending ako na i-edit. Kasi gusto ko sana na consistent pa din na kahit nandun ako sa camp, may ready na to upload. So, hopefully ma-edit ko sila. I believe kaya ko yun. I'm gonna end it right here. Ang daming ganap namin the past few weeks. Sobrang busy namin. Lalo na nandito yung pinsan ko. Kahit before nung nandito yung pinsan ko, ang dami namin ganap with friends. So, ito na yung last weekend ko na parang I can chill and just be at home. Actually, hindi nga siya chill kasi I need to pack. I need to sort some things out before I go. I need to edit the vlogs. And next week naman, half day na kami. So, I will have more time. So, half day is really good kasi June na. Thank God. And I'm gonna have 4 more days in school. I'm gonna pack today and tomorrow and the whole next week. Hopefully, kaya ko yung packing kasi I'm going to live with a host family, so I will be able to wash my clothes. I just wanna be able to pack like in a smart way. Alam mo yun? Na parang I have all I need. I can mix and match. And yeah, I just don't wanna be stressed when I'm there. Pero kailangan minimalist yung pag-pack. Overpacker ako. But kaya ko yan. So, I'm gonna figure everything out today. The things that I need to buy pa. I have most of them. Konti na lang yung kulang ko. So, yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna see you soon after this vlog. Hopefully, it can be a vlog about Italy. Like, even just a little bit. Of course, it's work, so I cannot film. Sana makapasyal-pasyal ako onte doon. I hope. And I hope that I'm having the time of my life there right now. Or like, I am so excited to share it to you kung ano man yung nangyari. So, I'll see you soon.